Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan Hidayat Hobi Channel. Kali ini Hidayat Hobi Channel mau memberikan atraksi ya. Ini kapalnya sudah di bawah ini ya. Kita berikan atraksi dipasang silo. Si roket yang dari kapal vertikal launch terus gitu. Nanti buktikan nembak di sini. Ini kapalnya sudah di sini ya. Oke, kita pemanasan dulu guys. Maju maju setengah. Nah ini kapalnya. Ini kita pura-puranya rekamnya dari drone.
Going off, I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. Yeah. I'm gonna go down swinging. I get lost in the feeling. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make it. Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop up.
Oke ya, pelayaran dan pertempuran kita kali ini tadi mencoba apa namanya silo kan, vertical launcher itu untuk menghalau roket musuh dan lain sebagainya. Telah dilaksanakan dan teruji mantap ya. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share.
I'm sick of this place, don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking six shots all straight to the face. I'm taking six shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking six shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. No, no,